Greetings and namaskar. Welcome to the Tai-Fascia system. Today we'll be doing Tai-Fascia yoga, and this will consist of working our shoulders, our wrists, our arms, our core, along with our ankles. We'll activate the breath, which energizes everything in the body from head to toe. Let's enjoy and be safe. We're going to be stretching out the stomach fascia, which we will be compressing the lower back. This is going to allow you to have circulation in the lower back. It will also increase flexibility. So we'll start in child pose. Slowly interlace your fingers behind your lower back and tuck your chin into your chest and round your spine, letting your elbows fall downward towards the floor. And then slowly rise up into upward facing dog, dropping the hips and stacking your shoulders right over your wrist. Try to keep your knees off the floor. If you need to modify, you can drop them down. Honor your body here. And then lift your hips back into down dog. Hips are high. You look like a pyramid. So doing this is going to help you learn Tai-Fascia yoga. Do it again. Drop the hips down into upward facing dog. Stacking shoulders on top, wrist on top. Breathing in through your nose and exhaling through your nose. Keep holding here. And now you want to distribute the weight in your palms and your feet so that way you can make sure you're centered through the hips. All right, let's do it all together. Drop the hips down. Hold 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Push the earth away. Lift the hips up. Relax. Distribute the weight in the arms and legs. Down dog. Keep breathing. Again, hips down towards the floor, upward facing dog, shoulders drawn back. Lock the arms, push the earth away. Good breathing. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lift the hips up. Down dog. Bend the knees, shake them left and right. Good. This lengthens the spine and opens the chest. Here we go. Hips come down again. Hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly lift those hips back up, pushing the earth away. Shake your head again. Now we're going to move into swinging down dog. So that's going to step your left foot out to one side, swinging the knee, pushing it away from the body as the hips go high. Lengthen your torso. Do the other side. Same thing, open the knee to the opposite side, swinging the knee away and open the chest. And then slowly come back into that upward facing dog, stacking the shoulders on top. And again, holding 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly lift the hips up. We are almost there. And a good breathe in through the nose and exhale, dropping the hips down again. Hold 3, 2, 1, drawing the shoulders all the way back and lift the hips up high. Big breath in and exhale, take a high, bending the knees left and right. Keep breathing in and exhale and breathe into the unfamiliar. Now hold it for 2 and 1. Slowly go ahead and lift those hips up. This time you're going to bend the knees again and shake your fanny a little bit or tailbone. Let go of the narrative. Here we go. We're going to hold it for 9 counts here. Hold 9, 8, 7, whatever your mind is saying here, let it go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly lift the hips up, draw the knees down. Child pose, rest here. Interlace those fingers behind the lower back and draw the elbows down. Let go of everything, every comment, every conversation in your shoulders. Allow it to fade away. This is the Tai-Fascia yoga system. This is one way of releasing and letting go. Breathe in, exhale. Become a Tai-Fascia yoga member by texting the number 1-833-635-1943 and text the letters TFY 2024. Namaskar.